Hello, I'm a student reporter for the PPMA News, and this is a story from when this all started. A little while ago, Miss Sarah took us away from what we were doing to announce that we would probably not be having school for an unclear amount of time. And now I'll interview some students to see their reflections on this chaotic experience. Miss Raven, what's your take on this?
I think this corona thing's not going to last that long. Maybe only a month or so.
Well, you are being very optimistic. I sure hope that is the case.
It probably is, but I don't know. It might be the end of the world.
Well, the thought of the world ending is very unsettling. Now, our next student, Dorian. Dorian, what did you think of this experience?
I don't know. Well, I really want to go back to school and really want to see people again, and I'm worried about my other activities interfering with school.
A very valid concern. I've heard some usually after school activities are being moved to school hours. Any other opinions?
Yes, you've heard right. Lots of other activities have changed times, but that's all of my thoughts. Thanks.
Well, that was Dorian. She had some very valid concerns. And now our next student, Tanisha. She's struggling with technology, so bear with me.
Well, I think this technology thing is really confusing. And for some reason, I still can't figure out how to do the virtual backgrounds.
Hello? Tanisha? Oh, well, she's gone. Well, we might be hearing from her again later, but that's all of her from now. Now, our next student, Leona. Leona, what do you feel about school being canceled?
Well, I'm really scared. I really miss all my friends.
A lot of us are feeling that way. It is sad and scary, but schools are closed and there's nothing we can do about it.
I know, but I really don't want to get sick.
I hope that none of us get sick from this virus. It truly is awful.
I heard you can cough so hard your eyes pop out.
Sorry. That is a very scary thought.
I know, it terrifies me.
Well, that was very scary. I will definitely have nightmares tonight. Now, our final student.
Hello? Is anyone there?
Oh, hi, you left earlier. Why?
I got kicked out again. It's so frustrating.
Well, more technical difficulties it seems. Hopefully she can stay with us this time.
Yeah, I've been having a really tough time with my old computer.
I think we've all had some difficulty with tech. Now our final student, for real this time. French horn, that could be right. It's not French horn, it's... Now our final student, Wickham!
Okay, well, I've been thinking about this cool way to pass time. Here, I'll screen share. You guys got that?
No. Let's move on. Now, if anyone wants to talk with someone else that was interviewed, you can. Otherwise, you can leave.
So, who wants to come and fix this with me? Look, everything is great. I always thought it was called self-quarantine. Oh, and why do you want to fix it? We can't go to school or go anywhere. Everything is messed up. But I like it. We get to stay home.
I agree with Dorian. Let's get this done so I don't have to use this old computer anymore.
Yeah, I do need a haircut.
All this comes because I have nothing better to do. I don't know if this is such a good idea. It'll be fun. I don't know. I don't care if you come. You do you.
Please. Come on.
Okay, fine. But for the record, this was not my idea.
Well, it looks like you've got some adventure ahead of you. Make sure to tell me what happens. It would make a great news story. That's all for now. I've been your classroom news reporter, Austin. Later, on day 7 of the quarantine, the same group of classmates is interviewed again. And this is a clip of some of their adventures.
So how's this gonna work? Like, how are we gonna fix this? Well, our plan is to contact the governor. Contact the governor? You mean Mr. Osborne? How are we gonna do that? On a website with his phone number. Cool. Can I call?
I guess you can be the one to call.
Yes, you won't regret it.
I'm not too sure about that one.
I'm not too sure about what.
Well, not to be rude or anything, but I think someone else should do that instead.
No, I must do it.
Well, okay, in that case.
It's styling. You're calling already? Should we make sure we're ready so we know what we're going to say and stuff? Oh, I thought we were calling it now.
Well, okay, let's plan what we're going to say to the governor first.
That's
a good idea. We should do that.
Isaiah for now.
Later, they reported from you and they had a plan of what to do. This is what they felt like on day 20. I can't take it anymore. The fear of not visiting my grandparents, all too much. I want this all to end. I think we all want it to end. And that was your plan, right, Mr. Governor?
Yeah, we hope that he can fix this sometime soon. He closed everything, so he should be able to fix it and reopen everything.
So what was your plan to contact the governor? What are you going to say on the phone?
Well, I assumed that we would be put on with the... Hello, did you get that? This is so frustrating. I'm talking about this computer.
Oh, well, what was that part where you cut out?
Like, that we would be put on with the lieutenant governor?
Yes, that's it. Scott, are you part of this plan as well?
Yeah, I need a haircut.
So there you have it. Scott needs a haircut. Oh, and also, Wickham, you're the decided caller, right?
Yes. Yes, I am.
What do you feel like after 20 days of quarantine?
I just want school to end, and I feel like we've been deciding way more than usual, which I don't get.
I think a lot of us are feeling that way. Well, that's all for now, folks.
The music stopped. No, that's a good thing. Get ready to talk to the lieutenant governor. Hello? Is anybody there? Oh, shoot. Hi, Mrs. Whoever you are. I need to talk to the governor. Can I have your phone number? Or I mean, wait a sec. What am I supposed to be saying? What am I supposed to be saying? You should know this, Mrs. Lieutenant Governor. Oh no.
You're a rude kid.
Hey guys, I kind of messed up. So I was going to contact him now. I'm not going to give an idea because I don't want to mess up again.
We could buy him a plan, write him a message in the sky with contrails. Wait a minute. If we had a plane, could just fly to his house.
I think we should write a song after him to help us and then post us singing and dancing to it.
I think we should just ship ourselves to his house in a box.
I think we should build a barbershop outside his house, but we build robots to cut his hair so he doesn't get sick. Then he'll want a haircut. And when the robots are cutting his hair, they'll tell him our idea, and we could all get haircuts. We'd also open it up and make tons of money.
Or we could just email him.
Yeah, but barber robots are much better.
But maybe not the easiest or quickest solution. It's a great idea, though. Well, anyway, let's email him.
Do we know his email?
Well, it's probably on a website somewhere.
Probably.
Found his email. It's illinoisgovernor@us.com.
Who's going to type the email? Not me. That would not go as well.
I want to type it because I don't want to mess up again.
Yeah.
That's probably good. Thank you.
Not it. I don't want to do it because I don't want to mess it up.
I'm not doing it.
I think that Dorian should do it because she came up with the idea.
Okay, fine. I'll do it myself. Yeah, we get what? Do it. Alrighty, I'm getting ready to start the email. What should I add?
We should add that we hate doing work on Zoom and we're sick and tired of quarantine.
Suck.
What? It doesn't suck. I like staying at home. Then why have you been helping us this whole time?
I told you at the beginning, because I have nothing better to do.
Well, what I got from that email so far is, Dear Mr. Osborne, we are just a group of kids that want to go back to school and have stuff go back to normal. Can you please join our Zoom meeting so we can discuss this further? We hate doing work on Zoom and not really having school. And I put our link and code. Do you guys think that's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get this done. I hate this computer.
I know, everything is so scary.
Yeah, I need a haircut.
What stuff to do?
This is the best part. Okay, I sent it.
Well, hello, everybody.
Hello. Hi.
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 Thanks for coming, Mr. Osborne, sir.
Please, calm down. I'm not that important. In your email, you mentioned that you wanted things to go back to normal. Well, what kind of things are bothering you?
Well, I need to get rid of my old computer and get a better one.
I need a haircut.
I just want things to be less scary. Maybe if I get a hug from my grandma, everything will be okay. And I just want school back.
All very valid concerns, but I can't help with any of it. It's the coronavirus. I'm sure you've all heard about it.
Yeah, it's really scary. I heard a kid.
Stop. Please, you're only scaring yourself.
I guess I am, but I just keep hearing all these scary things about it.
Well, then don't go read the news. It's not going to help anything for you. Ask for one with the lag. See if you can clear stuff on your computer. That might help.
Okay, I'll try that.
And you need a haircut. Get someone to coach you through cutting your own hair online. I've heard some barbers are doing that.
Cool.
And you, that fifth one. What's bothering you?
Nothing. I like it.
Oh, okay. And finally, you want to go back to school. What you have to understand is school isn't a place, it's community and friends.
So you can't fix everything?
I'm afraid I cannot. But you can still have school even if there's no campus.
I understand, but what about you fixing everything and things being normal?
Well, eventually things will probably be normal, but for now, you should just make the most of it.
Oh, okay. So we just have to wait for this stuff to end, and I just have to make the most of it while it lasts and enjoy still being able to see friends and learn over Zoom. And Scott, you can cut your own hair, and even if you can't, there's plenty of other stuff you can do that's probably not all about the haircut.
Yeah.
And you, Leona, you can talk to your grandparents online. That'll reassure you. Good idea, I'll try it. And you, Tanisha, you can talk to your parents to help fix your computer. Maybe you just need to clean it out. Delete a couple of things.
Thanks, that sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, I see it now. School can happen right here. It's me, it's you, it's everyone. It's Elizabeth, it's Aria, Sam, it's Sean, it's Phoenix, it's Joey, it's Joseph, it's Andrew, it's Kaylin, it's Melena, it's Piper, it's Elsa, it's Jack, it's Josh, it's Caitlin, it's Jake. Adeline. It's Whitney. It's Gracie. It's Evan. It's Josiah. It's It's Joe. Miss Sarah.
So that's our top classroom news story for a while. We hope you enjoyed the footage and my top interviewing skills.